I've been working on a JavaScript project and need a robust way to handle my SQL database interactions. I've heard about TypeORM but don't know much about it. Can you explain what TypeORM is and how it can help me?
TypeORM is an Object-Relational Mapping (ORM) library for TypeScript and JavaScript. It simplifies interactions with your SQL database by letting you use objects instead of writing SQL queries. It supports many SQL databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. TypeORM is particularly popular in projects using TypeScript because of its support for strong typing, but it works great with plain JavaScript too.
Sounds interesting. How do I start using it in my project?
First, you need to install TypeORM and a database driver, like MySQL or PG for PostgreSQL. If you're using Node.js, you can install them using npm. Then, you need to set up a connection to your database. You can do this in a separate file like index.ts or app.ts.
Can you show me a basic connection setup?
Sure. Here's a simple example.
What are entities?
Entities are classes that map to database tables. You define your table schema as a class with TypeORM decorators. For example, this class will correspond to a user table in your database with ID, name, and email columns.
That looks handy. How do I perform basic operations like insertions or queries?
TypeORM's repository API makes it straightforward. Each entity has a repository that provides methods to create, read, update, and delete records. For instance, to insert a new user, you do something like this.
And what about querying data?
You can use the find and find one methods for simple queries. TypeORM also supports complex queries using the Query Builder interface. Here's a quick example to find a user by name.
This looks very powerful. Any other features I should know about?
TypeORM is feature-rich. It supports relations, transactions, eager and lazy loading, listeners and subscribers, and much more. It's a comprehensive tool for managing your database operations in a structured and efficient way.
Fantastic. Thanks for the detailed overview. I'll definitely give TypeORM a try in my next project.
You're welcome.